You're thinking of maybe selling or just improving your home. You want to think about what improvements will work for you, right? Which will get you the best return. Because if you spend $10,000, you'd like to get $10,000 back or more. That's not going to happen. Sorry. It just doesn't happen with home improvements unless you're a do-it-yourselfer and you can do a great job. So, for example, garage door replacements really is kind of number one on the list. If you replace a garage door that's in really bad shape, you'll get 93% of what you paid for it back. But that means it has to have been a bad-looking garage door, beat up, paint peeling, a wood old one, that type of thing. How about manufactured stone veneer? If you partially replace vinyl siding with a manufactured stone veneer, it could boost your home's curb appeal. 91% on what you spent. So if you spent $1,000 on it, you're going to get $910 back. A minor kitchen remodel is something else to think about. Kitchens may be in need of a facelift. You can try some cosmetic updates like new cabinet doors, hardware, countertops, flooring, sink, faucet, and don't forget to upgrade the energy efficient appliances. If you spent, again, $1,000, you're going to get $710 back, 71% return. You do a basement remodel, adding an extra living space by finishing the basement may add some value to your home. Consider updates such as drywall, doors, trim, lighting, flooring, and adding some, maybe even a full bathroom. If you spend $1,000, you're going to get $700 back, 70% return. Or a window replacement. I'm sure the window companies are not thrilled for us to talk about this, but if you choose vinyl windows over wood windows, they may yield a slightly higher resale value, vinyl over wood. You spend $1,000, you're going to get 66 to 67% back on your investment. And then, for example, an entry door, new exterior steel door, lock set could spruce up your entryway, and resale value 64% is the return. By the way, if your entry door lock looks like it's been beat up or weathered, replace it. They're not that expensive. Go to the big box stores, get one and replace it. You can do it really yourself, and it will look a lot better. That's one of the first things buyers see as they enter your home. If it's really beat up, they're going to see that, and they're going to think, oh, the rest of the house is going to be the same thing. You can add a deck. You'll get 62 to 64% back. If you don't have a deck and you add it, bathroom remodel, 59% recouping of your money. And finishing an attic, if you have the attic, and if you have space to be able to finish it, 56% back on your investment. Those are some of the things that you can do with improvements to your home to help get the value up.